GPT-5 can be crazy powerful for some tasks, even by itself, but there are some things that it just can't do. That's why we as creators need to have a tool stack that we can use to reliably create our products and our content. In this video, I will show you what I think is the perfect all-rounder tool stack for creators. We will look at 6 tools that work good in combination with GPT-5. Together, they will give us a full creator workflow, from words to visuals to video to audio. So, here are the best tools to combine with GPT-5. Tool number 1, Canva. Canva is a design tool that's one of the most popular tools for creators out there for a reason. A metric ton of creators use it because it's reliable, it does many things super well, but most importantly, it's fast once you get used to it. Because you can use templates for stuff that you do often, and that saves a lot of time. It's got tools like background removal, instant resizing, that keep things consistent throughout all the platforms. So you can have GPT-5 write for you, generate images, assets, then you can use Canva to turn those into content or product. You use Canva to create your ebook, your illustrated children's book, your printable posters, etc. Truly one of the best out there for creators. But if you use Canva, then this next tool is important as well. Tool number 2, Upscale. If you use GPT-5 to generate images or assets for any type of visual product, you must have realized this. GPT-5, while it can generate some amazing stuff, doesn't generate them in high resolution. And you can't print assets that aren't high resolution, and you can't edit them in 4K videos and so on. They need to be upscaled. And this is where Upscale comes in. It's a tool that uses AI to intelligently upscale lower res images and turn them into high res premium looking images. This means you can use GPT-5 to generate stuff like ebook covers, posters, brand kits and so on, and then run them through Upscale to make them premium. The free trial lets you upscale 10 images, so that's 10 premium assets right there. I mentioned this in my free quick start guide, where I show you how to create a whole deemed collection of 10 posters with this for free. You can check that out in the description. Overall, a really inexpensive upscaling solution compared to industry standard like Topaz Gigapixel. Now on to the next one. Tool number 3, Runway ML. Runway ML is an AI video and animation tool. You might have seen some AI videos already on the internet. They were probably made using this one in conjunction with an image generator such as Midjourney or GPT-5. We can use this tool with GPT-5 to create any kind of video assets, such as talking avatars, animated logos, loopable backgrounds, animated intros, and more. We simply generate our static asset in GPT-5 and then we animate it using Runway. You can even ask GPT-5 to create prompts for Runway. It's a very useful tool for anybody who's making videos, as you can make your own unique branding assets. But even if you're not a video editor, you can still use GPT-5 and Runway to create branding assets for video editors and sell it to them. Speaking of video editing, that's what the next tool is for. Tool number 4, CapCut. CapCut is a popular video editor that is very beginner friendly, and it has tons of effects, transitions, pre-made presets and so on. You can make basically any type of content with it, and you can do it fast, which is why it's so good. And I will say it again, it's very beginner friendly, especially compared to the big three in video editing, which are Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve and Vegas Pro. This is by far the easiest to start with, and it's very important to have a video editing software in your tool belt. As a creator, you can use CapCut and GPT-5 in conjunction with some of the other tools mentioned in this video to create unique video content, whether it's for social media, YouTube, ad creatives, etc. Truly, the sky is the limit here. You can do anything. And this next tool is similar, but not quite. Tool number 5, Google VO3. VO3 is Google's AI video generation tool. You might be wondering why this is in the list if we already have Runway in it. Well, here's the thing. VO3 generates the best cinematic videos. Runway is more for precise 3D animation, whereas VO3 provides cinematic video, sound, speech, the whole package, depending on how well you prompt it. Where GPT-5 comes in here is that you can use it to plan out a whole video in sequences and then write VO3 prompts for each sequence. It can also write JSON prompts, which provide the best results on VO3, like truly remarkable, mind-blowing results. So we use GPT-5 to create the JSON prompts in sequences, And then with that we create trailers, ads, storytelling clips, cinematic B-roll that looks like it was shot with a professional camera. It's actually insane what some people have been pulling off with VO3. Just take a look around YouTube. It's insane, and it's only getting better. Now let's finish off with the last piece in the puzzle, which is audio. Tool number 6. 11 Labs. 11 Labs is the staple AI tool for creating voiceover. It's got tons of voices to choose from. You can make your own voice, and you can also even clone a voice. This is perfect for any type of faceless content, audiobooks, narration, or even creating multiple voices for different projects. You can use GPT-5 to create unique characters, then have it make an 11 Labs prompt for each character's voice so they can have a unique voice. You can then have it write out whole scripts and set it up so that 11 Labs does all the voiceover work in bulk with the different voices for each character. Then all you have to do is just edit them in, depending on what you're making. Truly a remarkable tool, and it takes care of all of our voiceover needs for any type of content. So these tools form the ultimate creator toolkit, and they cover pretty much any aspect of product creation or content creation. If you use GPT-5 together with these tools, you're in creator's heaven, as I'd like to put it. There's no bounds to your creativity or flexibility. So this is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, consider liking and subscribing. Your support means a lot to me. Before I go, I want to sell you on something real quick that I think might help you out. I made a comprehensive guide/toolkit especially for creating products with GPT-5. It will show you how to transform GPT-5 into your own team of employees, as well as how to use it effectively. And it will give you 16 complete product frameworks and a 24-hour quick start guide for your first product. Oh, and the quick start guide and some other stuff are free. You can check all of this out on my website, creatorsoftware.net. All the best in your endeavors, and I'll see you in the next one.